Leos, this is Tara with Ariana Stark. This is your forecast for December 2020. Before we dive into the video, please do us a favor and click the like button to help spread the word about Tara with Ariana Stark. Also, make sure to subscribe in case you haven't already done so. By doing so, you won't miss out on our future videos. We'll rely on Tarot for your overall reading, and we'll also use some oracle decks that we have here. So let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of November, stepping into December, we have the Two of Swords. In this period, I think it was marked by indecision. Even if there was a lot of hectic activity, you didn't know how to act. Maybe you were undecided about a course of action or a plan of action. Besides, I think if you had sought the help of a family elder or maybe a paternal figure, then you would have benefited. Nonetheless, I think there was a period which was marked by a lot of mental stimulation, and you were thinking quickly and acting on your feet. Maybe you were also put off by those who were always clinging to you for guidance and for advice or for your good counsel. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Eight of Cups. So Leos, you're being called upon to be more mentally alert, because psychologically it may not be your best period this month. You may be a bit down, and emotionally you could be a bit low. So you need to clear those negative energies that are there around you to overcome this feeling of loss. I think some of you may also be traveling, or there could be some movement or you may be making travel plans as well. Largely, I think in the month you'll get clarity about how you should proceed, or how do you need to remove the blockages that are there in your life. Whatever it is work-wise, I think you will be making some headway. You'll find that work is done one after the other, and you will plan your schedule accordingly. Maybe you'll also need to seek clarification with respect to your transaction. By even the bookkeeper or the accountant could question you on those areas which have been overlooked. Influences for the month, we have the card Four of Cups. Again, this lady here, she's in a contemplative mode. She is a bit low. She's wondering how she needs to proceed or how she needs to act. So, emotional discontentment is quite likely. I think many of you may also be wondering about whether to keep your mouth shut or whether to open your mouth, because your management or the administrator or even the boss whom you're dealing with or somebody around you could be unethical, and you don't know how to make things more clear, or you don't want to do something dirty. I think Leos, you should not argue. You should avoid arguments. You should not make those unkind remarks. Sometimes you may also think that people are quite self-centered and two-faced. Nonetheless, there will be times when people will hear to your side of the story and they pay attention to what you are trying to convey. Some of you may also feel a lack because money or resources could be denied to you, but then towards the final moments, you may find that the person whom you've asked for help or assistance could help you and help you come out of that situation. The first 10 days of December for Leos, we have the card Eight of Pentacles. This lady, she's working, or she's carrying on with her tasks. So even you will be carrying on with the tasks at hand. I think a lot of paperwork or technical work could be there in this time. Ideally, I think Leos should also cooperate with others. Perhaps you should collaborate, because you're going to make headway. Another thing, Leos, I think you need to polish your skills, or you should be open to the idea of enrolling for a course, or maybe you need to practice further. In this period, many Leos will also be taking on the role of the confidant. You will be the one who people will rely on for words of wisdom. There are times when you could also be playing the peacemaker. So when loved ones squabble, then you will be called upon to negotiate or to find the middle ground. Some of you may also be bothered on account of money issues. You don't want to discuss the same. You want to put it off because your pockets aren't too deep. Ideally, I think you should wait for the opportunities. You should bide your time because then there'll be manifestation of your plans. Those who are working also, I think appreciation will come your way for your creativity, for how you are very resourceful. Another thing I'm also picking up for many of you that there could be home improvements. Maybe you are decluttering your space, or you're working on gadgets, or technically you feel that the need to upgrade. 11 to 20th December for Cancerians, we have the High Priestess. This period will be time when you have to take on more than you can chew. Maybe there's a lot to deal with and you think that time is limited. And you may also feel a bit annoyed because you feel everybody only latches on to you for assistance and they fail to acknowledge your goodness. But you should carry on with the good work because the universe will definitely listen to your complaints and you will be rewarded suitably. Offers are quite likely in this time, but then you should also be careful because you may find that your boss or your employer could extract more than his pound of flesh. Maybe you will feel a bit overworked. Leo should have a professional attitude instead of expecting everyone also to help you out at the last minute, because if you are going to do or plan ahead, then you will not have those anxious moments. Even while dealing with clients, I think you should put your foot down. You should not expect others to walk all over you. Maybe you may feel that you're being fleeced. Also, I think you should collaborate. Also, another thing I'm also picking up that you should not be too greedy or unreasonable. Leos who are involved in legal matters, I think you can expect positive developments. Towards the final days, that is towards 21st to 31st December, we have the card Page of Cups. Someone in this period could threaten to sabotage your work or your work idea or something, so you should have a backup of your plans. Estranged people could also try to reconnect and disturb the family environment or disturb you mentally. This is also the time when you'll be asked to be the caregiver, or maybe someone around you is unwell, so maybe that is why you'll be a bit withdrawn and a bit low as well. Ideally, you should try to avoid getting entangled in unnecessarily arguments. Between 21st to 31st December, I'm also picking up that there could be a change of plans on account of your whimsical boss. Sometimes you may also be reluctant to give in, but you're compelled to give in to or yield to whatever the other person is saying. Leos, you should also be very careful about your deeds, because in case you are doing something which is underhand or which is unethical, then it could lie exposed and this could leave you a bit crestfallen. Those who are at the helm of affairs, you can get support from the management. In fact, you'll be also appreciated for your goodness and the way you carry on with the work. You're also someone who's very large-hearted, so in this month you can expect to be kind towards others. With respect to your love life, we have the card Pause. Maybe it's a time to reflect. It's also the time when you think that you're not making headway with respect to your relationship or with respect to your love life. Maybe you could try and renew contact with your crush, but then you feel that there's hardly anything to write home about, or maybe you think that it's a dead end, or there's nothing further than that, or that relationship is not going to work. Some of you may also want to reach out to that person, but then you could stop yourself. There are times also when you may want to help out somebody with whom you've had a relationship in the past, but then you could withhold yourself. You may also find that there could be admirers who want to try to familiarize themselves with your family members or near and dear ones, but you're not interested. Leos can also expect to be stalked on the social media. There are some people who are quite lecherous as well. But all in all, I think you will leave your suitors heartbroken. Maybe they are in reflective mode as well. On the other hand, those who are romancing, I think you will be discussing work-related issues with your partner. Maybe there's a distance or physical distance on account of someone or one of you traveling on account of work. So this physical distance could also act like a barrier. Sometimes you feel that your soul is not ready for marriage, or the person's soul is not ready for marriage. That is why you think you are in pause mode. On the other hand, married Leos, I think you need to be patient with your spouse or your marriage partner. Sometimes you may think he's very whimsical. Maybe you want everything done right away and he wants you to be patient. So if you are patient with him, then you could make headway, but otherwise you could end up being the bigger loser. I think many of you should also de-stress by watching a romantic movie. It's the holiday season, so you should cozy up and you should watch some movie together and show more affection towards a partner. From the Angel Therapy deck, we have the card Indigo. There could be somebody around you who's an indigo child. Indigo children are very sensitive. They are hyperactive, or they could be suffering from attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, because they think very quickly and they have a lightning fast way of thinking, and they're intuitive and very sensitive children. So you need to help them maintain their high self-esteem, and you should help them with their direction, or you should need to give them direction as well, so that they can use their natural talents and help humanity. Archangel Metatron is the angel who oversees the indigo generation, so he is the best angel to call upon for help with issues related to indigo children and adults. They are always going to be strong-willed children, so you have to deal with them in a very patient manner. Another card we have here is Builder. Your innate ability to build and recreate brings you a deep sense of accomplishment. Many of you need to also work on your body. You see this man, he's very well built, so you need to strengthen your muscles as well. Another thing I'm also picking up, that you are someone who's also a leader and who also believes in teamwork. Basically, you can construct an idea, you can put it to action as well. So use that aspect of your personality this month and you will come away making gains. I hope, Leos, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.